The action continues here on this Saturday night as we go back to the ring.
The following trios contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first from Tokyo, Japan, Mina Shirakawa.
Mina Shirakawa has more than enough reason to get back into the ring.
Joining her, JB Hayter and Alex Winter, the Brawling Birds!
The Brawling Birds and Mina Shirakawa in this trios match. Here live on Collision. Back to the ring we
And
go.
their opponents, Dixie Excess, Amina Belmont, and Haven Harris.
Harris, Nikki, and Belmont will face the Brawling Birds. And there you see the British women's champion. Mina Shirakawa had her shot at becoming world champion, but thanks to some brass knucks, denied by Tekla.
Well, I say birds of a feather flock together. All three members of this team, the Brawling Birds and Shirakawa, have had their problems with the Triangle of Madness. Oh!
Whoa.
Yet to find out who is responsible. Oh! This could be it. It looks like it.
Yes.
It's two birds with one stone. One figure four leg lock.
That's right, Mina. Her figure four leg lock is on.
It certainly proved efficacious as it does tonight.
Did not take long, did it?
Here are your winners, Mina Shirakawa and the Brawling Birds. Oi, Cedar Rapids! Do you care for a couple of words with the birds? Mina, I gotta say first, we loved beating the piss out of these women with you. Good job, mate. Thank you very much. And not only that, right here, right now, I want to say to your face, me and Al had nothing to do with what happened to Tony. Nothing at all. Nothing to do with us.
But even more so than that, what happened to her last week was a complete and utter piss take. Now, Jamie and I have had our run-ins with the Sisters of Sin, and your world champion Tekla wants to start using brass knuckles. Is this thing on? No, nine yet. Nah, chigayo. We're not doing this. In case you forgot, I am the AW World Women's Champion, and all of you are nothing. The Sisters of Sin, and none of you silly bitches can handle the Triangle of Madness. And I swear, on the cold dead body of timeless Tony Storm, rest in peace, bitch. I swear, if any of you want to try it with us again, you'll all end up just like her.
Enough! Huh? Next week, you fight us! And we will beat the piss out of you!
This is how English is coming along.
Challenge from the Triangle of Madness. And fans still to come tonight. Kazuchika Okada defends the International Championship against Kevin Knight. Plus Ace Austin, Tommaso Ciampa coming up next, live on Collision.